April 29th, 2020. It's been about a month since the virus first hit. We left Park City about 2 weeks ago, and we've been putzing around the desert ever since. We're going to quarantine on the road for as long as we can until hopefully this whole pandemic blows over.
You ready to pack her up?
Hell yeah!
Alright, peace out, boys. I'll see you out there.
Now, this ain't my first time on a road trip. Between the 2 cross-country bike rides and then getting my truck, I've been around the country like 8 or 9 times. But this time, it was different. Nothing's open. There's nowhere to go. So we went down to the desert, but this would be the easy part.
How's it look?
Huh?
How's it look? Bam.
Okay, ready?
Boom. Time to get baked. Alright, camp spot number 2. What are you, a chef or something? Damn.
Potatoes, onions, avocados, hot sauce.
They call that a hobo. What do you laughing at?
So we're gonna get numbers that are a little different than we thought.
We got a storm rolling in. We gotta cook a little hot meal before she gets here. Oh yeah, chili going.
So did you read it?
Alright, deal them out.
Our plan was to restock every 2 weeks, with only necessities: fuel, food, and beer. Traveling as far away from civilization as we could in the meantime.
Did you make that?
No,
That's freaky. What the fuck is that in the middle? Is that a bone?
it looks like a bone.
That looks like a You hear the music in the background.
I'm gonna screenshot this and you're gonna look like a devil worshiper.
Things that I said to you, the things that I know to be true, baby, oh, what you gonna do? Said, what are you gonna do?
These are good for you.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, but some of them are crisp, like so.
Yeah, honey.
The way that you say I do when you don't. All I wanted was love. All I wanted was a chance to hug. Everything that I know, everything that I hold above. The things that I said to you, the things that I hold to be true. The shit that I see right through when you say I do, and I know you do.
Show you what it looks like.
It better.
Have a toe.
Try everything I can to run you through the weather and take you from this land. Things that I said to you, the things that I hold to be true, and all the shit that I see right through when you say I do, when you say I do.
We had loose plans in a looser world. I don't know where to go, but we're not going to let a little pandemic get in the way of a good road trip. Hopefully we can do this long enough that by the time we're back home, things will be somewhat normal again.
Things that I said to you, the things that I know to be true, baby, oh, what you gonna do? Then what are you gonna do before I go? The things that I said to you. was love. All I wanted was a chance to hug. Everything, everything that I know, everything that I hold above. The things that I said to do, the things that I hold to be true. The shit that I see right through when you say I do, and I know you do.
Oh! Get out of here!
Bro, she goes to Catalina Mind Mixer.
Mind mixer. Fuck!
Bro. Brianna over here whipping out the last of our perishables. Ooh, yeah. That's that drizzle. Welcome to the office. How's the shower?
Nice, it's warm except for when it's already going. This is sick. With that breeze.
Governor Pritzker, Illinois, ordered the state one of the principles of our state is the preservation of life, the preservation
Oh, you got chicken mac and cheese.
So everyone needs that. Like lack of knowledge about.
Yeah! Fuck yeah.
We still have plenty of non-perishables, but our fresh water is running low. Considering a man can only stare at the desert for so long, it's almost time for a change of scenery. But for now, we're gonna go visit a friend in Moab.
Damn.
I'm not gonna tell you about the bad parts, like getting the flat tire, making the wrong turn. Those aren't the parts I want to remember. I want to remember the good times, the times that made the trip all worthwhile. Because that's what road tripping's all about. It ain't about the hard parts, those will come. But when you find the perfect spot and everything's going all right, it makes it all worthwhile. That's living.
I want to get to the top of it, yes.
Right in there. Does that make you nervous knowing that he sleeps right there?
No, they can't get in here. Snakes don't really scare me.
Oh, there it is. There's his head.
Is that a diamondback? Love to know what's that.
Yeah, let her rip, brother.
Sore, but it's okay.
God, that would be out. That's fucking right, boy. Let's go with the boat. Nice shot, nice shot. Here we go. I'll show you how it's done. Fuck yeah.
Close with his camera.
It's okay, you can get the one.
He's like, learn how to drive.
Yeah, I want to get stuck in that. Like a cage.
boys go to heaven.
Good girl, go to hell.